mutual nga eh.
The milling is mutual.
The feeling is mutual.
Hindi kita lalong paalisin dito. Hanapin mo yung takaw pala ng Miss Unicorn.
Gonna tell the cops I'm being abducted. This is human trafficking.
They're not gonna believe you.
I'm a good artist. Wanna test the theory?
No.
I'm gonna get us deported from the country.
This is being recorded, so you can't leave the country.
I'm gonna shine so bright this
Again. In the morning,
Shine
you're
bright like a
shining.
diamond.
You're shining brightly. Shiny, shimmering, splendid.
My nose is itchy.
Why?
I don't know. You're just very dusty.
I don't have that. Am
Dusty
I shiny?
and
No,
crisp.
I'm not shiny.
Yes, you're very shiny. You're worse than me, honestly.
No, wala.
I like washed my face earlier, so this is like water, like hydrated.
Hydrated.
Hydration.
the process of, hydrating.
Yes.
Hydration.
Like this,
Nah.
Just like some Vaseline on the lips.
Yeah, so what am I gonna do now?
It's getting less cracked, Less cracked siya ngayon. What are you recording for, bro?
The reason why you wanna leave the country.
I'm gonna get us deported.
Why?
Because
You don't wanna stay
I don't
here?
want to
No?
stay here anymore, bro.
Why you feel boring ba?
Yes.
Yeah, I wanna try you.
24/7 is vibing.
No, what I'm saying is I'm trying to bring you with me. I mean, you should come with me also for 7. So that you can enjoy.
Alam ko naman.
Mm.
Punta tayo araw-araw dun sa dentist para lang mag-draw.
You wanna go there so that you can use the tablet? Oh my god, that's so very
I'm
pathetic.
just...
Yeah, I know.
Maybe you are, bro.
I am.
Yes.
What are we
with
gonna do?
you. The feeling
So
is
why? I mean, you can still study here. Either you choose face to face, but not online. So there's no option. Yeah,
Patay mo
online.
kasi sa online, mas mahina pa yung tuition fee. Yung importante lang kasi yung grade 6 eh.
No, the thing is, kung online, okay ka mag-online here?
Online dun sa Pinas.
Oh, see?
I'm gonna be vibing.
No.
Chilling.
Mag-online ka. Dito ang online mo.
Halo, walang
Dito ang online mo.
Eh, sige, dito online ko, so?
Okay. Dito ka na. Online. Oh, yan ha. Deal yan.
Wait,
But make sure that you're gonna learn, ha? Because if not, yeah, I'm telling you. Because you're so tamad eh.
hindi.
Hmm.
Kasi dito, mas less time ako makaka-prepare sa
Saan? Wala kang ginagawa dito. Maghugas nga ng pinggan. Ayaw mo eh.
Bro,
What?
mas matagal pa kasi yung pag-ayos ng body clock eh.
What do you mean? What do you need to fix? Yung body clock mo?
What's the word?
Body clock.
Yes.
The timing ng katawan mo? Huh? I mean, again, before, we normally sleep at 8 o'clock, and then it becomes 9 o'clock, and becomes 10 o'clock, and it becomes, what, 11?
4?
Until you sleep at 4 a.m.
I once slept at 5 and 6.
See what you're doing, and I can't monitor you because I'm already asleep and tired and already sleeping.
I know.
Yeah, I know, and that's why you're abusing.
I'm self-aware of my own problems, ma. Okay.
No, you consider that as a problem. It's an issue.
It's the same.
No,
And the issue is just a different wording.
it's a concern.
bro.
Okay, let's change it. Problem is too negative. At least we can use that as a concern. It's concern.
Problem and
That's
issue
the
is the
concern.
same thing. Why are you trying to correct me on stuff I'm already corrected by?
Aray ko!
And you,
Mas bigat ng kamay mo ha, nakakainis ka.
and yet you wonder why we don't vibe with each other, bro.
Ewan ko sa'yo, anak. Kailangan vibe. Arty-arty mo dyan. Arte-arte mo talaga. Iba
Anong
talaga.
difference ng issue at problem? Anong difference ng issue at problem? Anong difference ng issue at problem?
It's a negative. When you say problem, it's too negative. Issue can be negative or positive. When you say issue, it could not. Yeah, when you say problem, it's too negative. So it comes as a negative one. But when you say issue, then it's something that
So you
can
think
be.
my body clock being overly over
It's an issue.
it's an issue. So when you say an issue, you think of it as somewhere in between negative and positive.
No, what
So
I'm saying is that when I say
what
issue,
positive thing are you thinking about that, bro? If you have a seizure, I'm gonna be there wide awake.
Naulo, crazy babay, crazy. Bye everyone. I have my daughter who's so.
Don't post this.
No,
Don't
this
post
is
it.
my vlog.
Don't
This
post
is my
it.
today's
I'm going.
Portuguese video.
I'm going to
Block?
report your account.
Why?
Block it.
Subukan mo.
Stop recording me.
Subukan mo.
Ano yung trend na yan? Stop recording me.